I cannot wait until the day where I open up my vault and it looks like this, just with hundreds of Marvel characters. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Jake Gagan Show. My name is Jake Gagan. Thank you for joining me here today. If you've been following my channel, you see that we have a new microphone. I just got this new microphone. Hopefully it's sounding good to you guys. Let me know in the comments. But I wanted to level up. We've only been doing this YouTube for about 3 to 4 months. So I thought, you know what? It was the time to level up. So first video with the new microphone had to be with my beloved Ecomi family. But a lot of people have been asking me, guys, to make another video about an Ecomi price prediction. So that's exactly what we're going to do in this video, guys. You guys know I'm super bullish on Ecomi. We're going to be talking about the latest additions in Marvel and other brands. We're going to be talking about the Immutable partnership. We're going to be taking a deep dive and a close look at the price prediction. So make sure to stay tuned to the very end of the video. And as always, guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. If you're new here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get into today's episode. So first off, ladies and gentlemen, when we look at the price here, you can see that we were at 0.002683, up 18%. And I'll be honest right now, guys, a lot of the crypto market today is down. Everything is down. And Ecomi has a mind of its own. I guess we're kind of moving away from following Bitcoin. We're up 20%. When I checked earlier, we're up 24% on the day. And as of now, we're up 18.59%. I think a lot of this is due to people now understanding how to purchase Ecomi, how to find it. And obviously the Marvel news was incredible, guys. So the Marvel listing was incredible. A lot of people are now understanding the value of Ecomi. But we'll take a closer look at the price later, guys. I want to highlight one thing because I think that this is huge. Look how many holders we now have. 125,000 people are now holding the OMI token. If you are part of that, guys, do me a favor and smash that like button. If you're one of the 125,000, we're doing well. We're holding a phenomenal project, one that I'm very, very bullish on, and we will get to my price prediction here at the end of the year. But 125,000 holders, that is absolutely massive. Now, obviously, we understand that the Marvel news has came out recently, guys, and I think that this is going to prove to be the biggest aspect and the biggest addition to the Ecomi family. I mean, look at some of these names, guys. Spider-Man, Iron Man, Captain America, Hulk, Thanos, Wanda Maximoff, Black Panther, Doctor Strange, Wolverine, Black Widow, Deadpool, Clint Barton. Guys, the list goes on and on. I mean, the Marvel lineup is huge. We all expected that Ecomi was going to get it. I can't believe that David, Dan, Reese, and Trevor were able to keep the cat in the bag, but we all knew that we were going to get Marvel. We finally got Marvel. It was announced last week, and I'm excited to see when we're going to be having the first drop. Do me a favor, though, in the comments, let me know your favorite Marvel character, guys. I would have to say mine's probably Black Panther or Hulk. Honestly, Deadpool's fun. There's just so many good ones, guys. It's hard to choose. Next, I want to talk about another brand that's going to come that's going to change the landscape of Ecomi forever, and that brand is the National Football League. We understand that we signed the NFLPA not too long ago, and we haven't seen the first rollout of the NFL NFTs that are going to be coming out. But we do know that we're going to be getting something like this, a life-size Tom Brady NFT, who we know is super big into cryptocurrency in general. We also know that we're going to be getting a Patrick Mahomes. We're going to be getting a bunch of different NFL players, guys, and it is going to be absolutely incredible. It's going to bring in millions of people to the VV app. We already know that we have about 300,000 users as of today. So I'm excited to see how many users we have after we bring in the NFL and the NFLPA partnership. I think it's going to be absolutely killer. I'm looking forward to it right now. Now, we also know that we just signed up and we just partnered with Immutable. Now, this hasn't taken place yet. We know that we're moving over to the Ethereum blockchain at some point. Right now, we're on the Go chain. But Immutable, guys, is a great partnership. And look, they actually follow your boy. They follow your boy, Jake Gagan. Shout out to Immutable. We love you. And you should follow your boy, too, on Twitter, at Jake Gagan. But back to the Immutable partnership, guys. Immutable is the first layer 2 for NFTs on Ethereum. 0 gas fees, instant trades, and 9,000 transactions per second. Let me just say that again for the people in the back. 0 gas fees, instant trades, and 9,000 trades per second. Obviously, as Ecomi and the VV team welcome more people into the platform, we're going to have more people using it. So moving over to this faster, more secure, safer blockchain is huge news. Congratulations, guys. We're on Immutable. Not sure when that move is going to be happening, but it's going to be happening soon. And all of this is going to factor into my price prediction at the end. So make sure to stay tuned to the very end of this video to see my price prediction. Now, another huge partnerships that we got, guys, was the Rogers and Cohen partnership, who is a marketing firm. So they're a marketing firm down in Hollywood, and they represent some of the biggest people in the space. Have you ever heard of any of these people? Bruce Willis, Jamie Foxx, DJ Khaled, Gabriel Iglesias, John David Washington. I think he's in what's that? Rock Ballers. I think he's in Ballers. Keanu Reeves, guys. Mike Piazza. The list goes on and on. So we partnered with Rogers and Cohen Park, guys. They're going to be doing our marketing and advertising. Nyjah Houston, Mel Gibson, Steph Curry. I mean, the list really does go on and on, guys. So they actually partnered with Ecomi. Actually, we partnered with them, I would say. And we are going to be having our marketing done by Rogers and Cohen. A lot of you probably already saw the YouTube and the Google ads. I've seen Ecomi popping up and VV popping up when I'm on YouTube, when I'm on ESPN. And I think this is part of the push. So obviously, look, all the YouTubers are doing great. Shout out to Cavell, Kyle, Taps, NFT Pirates, The Gale. Everybody's doing great. But when you have that actual people like Rogers and Cohen who are trained professionals to do marketing and advertising, well, that's when the business goes to the next level. So I think it's huge that Ecomi has partnered with a profound and recognizable, reputable brand like Rogers and Cohen. I can't wait to see what happens when this finally kicks in. Hey, maybe we get a Super Bowl ad. Are we going to get a Super Bowl ad coming? We might see a Super Bowl ad at some point in the future. Now, if you haven't yet, look at the thing that's scrolling on the bottom. Smash that like button, guys, because we're going to get into another very important part, and that is the VVverse. So coming later this year, the VVverse will offer an immersive metaverse in which fans and collectors can stake their claim in a new and collaborative world of collecting. And I did a video with Trevor, guys. Trevor came on, Trevor Dietz. Shout out to Trevor Dietz, the lead product designer here at Ecomi. And he said, it's not going to look like Ready Player One, but it is going to be a way for us to interact, to reward our collectors, and to have more fun. And, you know, the term that he used was gamification. So we can start to expect to see more gamification coming here pretty soon with the addition of the VVverse. So with all of those things combined, guys, we have 100 plus licenses that we now have. We released massive ones like Marvel, Back to the Future, which that dropped this week was incredible. Star Trek's coming, Jurassic Park coming, NFL's coming. There's so many good things coming. I don't even want to know what the other 100 are because it's going to be incredible. We're on 4 exchanges right now. That's the one thing that's holding this token back. Now, if this price prediction that I gave in just a second, if we're on other exchanges, I think it will be a lot different, but I'm going to make the price prediction with the 4 exchanges that we're on. Obviously, we have 125,000 holders today. We have over 350,000 people collecting on the VV app. So let's go ahead and get into the price prediction, guys. None of this is financial advice. I'm not paid by the Ecomi team. I'm just a bull on this project. So as of now, guys, as I mentioned, we just took a look at this. Still up 18%. It's on 109,000 people's watch list. The volume is up 180%. That's incredible. $5 million. The market cap is close to 500 million, almost $500 million market cap, guys. Obviously, we were over a cent. During this time, we were at 0.00134, our all-time high. Obviously, we've trickled down a little bit since then, had a little spike with the Marvel, and, you know, we're actually a little bit higher than that. So I'm bullish on this project for the long term, guys. I will say there's a lot of factors that go into this, but if we had to do our end-of-the-year price prediction as of today, this is what it would look like, guys. And if you're still here right now, do me a favor, leave a comment below. Let me know your price prediction for the end of the year, and I'm going to do mine at the same time. So with all things being considered, guys, all the licenses that we have, the Marvel drops coming, the 2 drops per week, I do believe by the end of the year, we will see Ecomi well past its all-time high and right around 4 cents, 4 to 5 cents by the end of the year with all things considered. Now, if we move over to the immutable blockchain, the immutable network, if we get on other exchanges like Voyager, like Binance, like Coinbase, like KuCoin, I think that we can be much higher. But with all things the same on Gate.io, AscendX, Uniswap, and Bit4X, I think 4 to 5 cents is very reasonable. But if we do get on other exchanges, and I'm a firm believer in the exchange effect, if we do get on other exchanges, I think that we're going to see Ecomi take off to the moon. A 10-cent 2021 is possible. A 15-cent 2021 is possible, especially with the token burns that we've been seeing. I saw 500 million the other day. It's like these things add up. So the more token burns that we have, the more exchanges that come in, the higher the price is going to go. I think right now, because I'm on video and I'm recording this, I'm confident saying a 4 to 5 cent, no problem by the end of the year. I know that's going to make a lot of people happy, but I do believe that a 10 cent is in near sight, guys. I tweeted the other day that I see a clear path to 10 cent, and I really do see a clear path to 10 cent with everything that we talked about in this video. But I don't want to go out there yet and say that because I do want to see other things coming, like other licenses being released, like other people talking about it, like other exchanges, number one. If we get on other exchanges, guys, it's going to be huge. So That is my Ecomi price prediction, guys. I think we're going to be at 4 to 5 cents. Let's just call it 4.5 cents by the end of the year. And if there are other exchanges, like we know that there's other ones that are waiting to list us, I think it could be much higher. Let me know in the comments, guys. What do you think about my price prediction? I get back to all comments within 24 hours. And if you have not yet, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will see you on the moon. Ecomi to the moon. Peace out.